Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start now. Wash your hands and tie hair back so products only touch your face. First, wet your face with lukewarm water and dispense the kit's gentle cleanser. You want a light lather. Massage with fingertips for about 30 to 60 seconds to lift oil and dirt. Once done, rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water so pores don't shock, then pat dry gently with a soft towel. This prepares your skin to absorb active ingredients that follow. Next, apply the kit's toner or essence. Dispense onto a cotton pad or your palms and press into the skin to balance pH and improve absorption. Then, use targeted serums, 1 to 2 drops per area, focusing on concerns like hydration or pigmentation. Spread thinly and avoid rubbing too hard. Make sure to layer products from lightest to heaviest texture. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds between each layer so ingredients settle. This sequence maximizes delivery of actives. Finish by sealing everything with the kit's moisturizer. Use a pea-sized amount, then spread using upward strokes to avoid pulling the skin. In the morning routine, apply a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher as the final step and reapply every 2 hours when outdoors. Once done, check for areas of excess product and gently blot. If you experience redness or stinging, stop using the product immediately. Perform a small patch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.